Hey guys, what's going on? Tech King Mike back with another video, and in today's video for you guys, we are going to be touching on the dBrand PRISM screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing. We'll flip to the other camera, unbox it, and get right into it. I do not like to do anything with my phones until I have a screen protector on the phone. And looking at this box, it says the idiot-proof screen protector and is designed for use with cases. Now, I do have the dBrand grip case on the way. It should be here tomorrow. But if you look inside, it says easy installation. It's scratch-proof, case-friendly. You can pause and read all of this for yourself. And then on the bottom here, it says zero dust, no fingerprints, and it includes 2 screen protectors. So let's go on ahead and put the phone up here. And let's go on ahead and get right into it. This is our screen protector here. So this is the screen protector itself. And it even has the cover, just so you know it goes right on top. I like that, makes it really easy. And then let's pop this open. Now, full disclosure, this wipe was already open. I already had the box opened. I had to actually start the video over because I started doing it and then realized that my second camera was recording. But we are good to go now. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a good wipe down. We wanna give it a really, really, really good wipe down to make sure that the screen is good and clean. It shouldn't be too bad. I mean, I just pulled it out the box. The unboxing video should be live on the channel at the time of this video. I just pulled it out the box not too long ago, but I just want to make sure I give it one more good wipe down before we get too deep into the nitty-gritty. I'm going to go ahead and take this microfiber cloth, pull it out. Made this thing really hard to get out. Jesus, it's so small. There we go. Go ahead and pull this out, and we'll get into this. And then we'll just give it one more good wipe down. You know, we don't want to do nothing too crazy. Just give it one more good wipe down. Now, the dBrand line of accessories is really, really good. I mean, the skins, the cases, all of it is really good. One of my favorite cases for my iPhone is the grip, and that's the one I have on the way for this device, so I'm looking forward to getting it. All right, so dBrand is so confident in your ability to put this on with no dust or anything that they don't even include like the typical stickers or whatever that some places include. They just, it even says right here, squeegee, alcohol wipe, and a microfiber cloth. That's it. So let's see just how true it is. Let's go ahead and let's put it on. All right, we have it on the phone, and all we have to do is just pull and then run our fingers up and down. So let's see what happens. And now let's rub our fingers up and down. I'm gonna place the phone down on the box here. Let's rub the finger up and down. Okay, so rubbing the finger up and down, swiping it. All right, now let's take it off. We'll take it off nice and slow. And I can actually see the screen protector underneath. I can see where it's sticking to the screen. So that's actually really, really dope how simple and effective they made this. So as you lift up, boom, there it is. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the same squeegee that they gave us. And I like the fact that the squeegee actually has like a hard side and it has like a microfiber side, so you know that you're not damaging your screen protector that you just installed on your phone. So let's go on ahead and make sure that we get all of these bubbles out. And as I'm going through and I'm looking around, especially at the different bubbles, what I do not see is dust. I can honestly say I don't see any dust looking at it. And I know my lighting is not the best. I'm kind of working in a very tight space for recording, so I'm doing the best I can with my lighting. But from what I can tell, I don't see anything, man. I don't see any dust on this phone. I'm just gonna try to push this air bubble out, because I know if I don't, it's gonna come back. I'm gonna try to push this air bubble out, get that out the way, make sure we get all down the sides and the corners. And yeah, that is it. That is the dBrand PRISM screen protector. So I'm going to try to get a little close to the camera here so you guys can see. So you can see where it raises up there right below the speaker slit. You can also see how there's plenty of room along the edge for a case. So when they say it's case friendly, they mean that. It's definitely case friendly. Doesn't obstruct the view in any way, shape, or form. And I like the fact that based on how it feels, the edges are curved. So you know your screen is protected, but it doesn't feel like there's a big, thick, bulky screen protector on it. So I actually really like that, man. So this is going to be the dBrand PRISM for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. So if you guys are interested in any more accessories or any more content on the Fold 8 Ultra, please go on ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also stay tuned. I got some really cool stuff coming up for you guys soon. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. It's your guy, Tech King Mike. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.